Imagine looking up at the night sky, a river of stars, the Milky Way stretching across the darkness. Each pinpoint of light is a sun, some with their own planets, all woven together in a vast cosmic tapestry that has inspired wonder for millennia. Our galaxy is a sprawling city of stars, gas, and dust with a powerful hidden center. It's a place of unimaginable scale, where hundreds of billions of stars orbit in a graceful spiral, and clouds of gas and dust drift between them, birthing new stars and worlds. At its heart lies a sleeping giant, the supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A*. This mysterious object is millions of times more massive than our sun, yet it's invisible to the naked eye, hidden behind veils of interstellar dust. For now, this giant slumbers, its influence on our daily lives almost non-existent. The center of our galaxy appears calm, a quiet region compared to the chaos of star birth and death elsewhere. Our solar system orbits far from this center, taking over 200 million years to complete a single lap. We are mere passengers on this grand journey, circling the core at speeds we can barely comprehend. But the universe is always changing. Galaxies collide, stars are born and die, and even sleeping giants can awaken. The cosmos is a place of constant motion, where nothing stays the same for long. The fate of our galaxy is tied to this behemoth, and its awakening will be one of the most spectacular events in the Milky Way's history. When it stirs, the energy released will reshape the very heart of our galaxy. This isn't a story of doom, but of cosmic cycles, creation and transformation on a scale that humbles us. The rise and fall of stars, the birth of new worlds, and the slumber and awakening of black holes are all part of the universe's endless rhythm. Understanding what lies at our galaxy's core helps us understand our own place in the cosmos. It reminds us that we are connected to something far greater than ourselves, part of a story billions of years in the making. The tale of Sagittarius A** is part of our cosmic heritage and our far-distant future. Its story is written in the light of ancient stars and the shadows of things yet to come. So, let's journey to the heart of the Milky Way, across 26,000 light-years, to meet this gravitational monster. We'll travel through clouds of stars and dust, past nebulae and supernova remnants, to the very center of our galactic home. We'll discover why it's so peaceful now, and what cosmic event is destined to wake it up. The clues are hidden in the motions of stars, and the faint whispers of radio waves from deep space. This is a story written in the stars, a preview of a cosmic firework display that will light up our galaxy's core. When the time comes, the spectacle will be visible across the universe, a beacon of change and renewal. The giant is sleeping, but the alarm clock is already set. Somewhere in the darkness, the countdown has begun, and the universe waits in anticipation. The universe is preparing for a show, billions of years in the making. The stage is set, the actors are in place, and the script is written in the language of gravity and light. And we, from our quiet corner, are part of that story, witnesses to the cosmic dance, forever connected to the sleeping giant at the heart of our galaxy. What exactly is a supermassive black hole, and why does it command such awe in the universe? Picture the unimaginable, the mass of millions, sometimes even billions of stars crushed into a single invisible point in space. A place where the laws of physics as we know them break down. At the heart of every large galaxy, including our own Milky Way, lurks one of these cosmic titans, acting as a gravitational anchor that holds the swirling stars and gas together. Our galaxy's heavyweight champion is Sagittarius A*, a supermassive black hole tipping the scales at about 4 million times the mass of our sun, a truly staggering figure. All that mass is packed into a region smaller than the orbit of Mercury, the innermost planet in our solar system, a mind-bending feat of cosmic compression. The gravity here is so intense that nothing, not even light itself, can escape once it crosses the event horizon, the ultimate point of no return. Yet despite its immense power, Sagittarius A* is currently dormant, not actively feeding on nearby matter. Think of it as a giant whale drifting in a nearly empty ocean. There's little left to eat in its immediate surroundings, so it waits in silence. Over billions of years, the region around Sagittarius A* has been swept clean of most of the gas and dust that once fed it, leaving a vast, quiet void. Occasionally, a stray gas cloud or an unlucky star wanders too close, only to be torn apart and devoured, causing a brief but brilliant flicker of activity that astronomers can detect from Earth. But for the most part, Sagittarius A* is on a starvation diet, quietly biding its time. That's why our galactic center isn't blazing with light and energy like the active, luminous cores of some other galaxies in the universe. This quiet state is a blessing for us. It allows life to flourish in the relatively peaceful suburbs of the Milky Way, far from the chaos of an active galactic core. But this cosmic peace is only temporary. The universe is always changing, and nothing stays the same forever. Somewhere out there, a cosmic neighbor, a wandering gas cloud, or perhaps even a small galaxy, is slowly making its way toward our galactic center. When it finally arrives, it will deliver a feast to Sagittarius A*, awakening the sleeping giant and unleashing a spectacular display of energy. The stage is set for a dramatic transformation, one that will reshape the heart of our galaxy and remind us of the awesome power lurking in the darkness. Picture a spotless kitchen, no crumbs, nothing for the family dog to eat. That's the environment around Sagittarius A, swept clean by its own gravity. Nearby stars orbit in stable paths, safe from being devoured. In the galaxy's early days, things were different. Mergers and chaos sent gas and dust toward the center, feeding the black hole. Back then, Sagittarius A* was a ravenous beast, shining as a brilliant beacon. Now only the occasional gas cloud like G2 strays too close, gets stretched and heated and vanishes in a flash of X-rays. These are mere snacks, gentle snores from the sleeping giant. For now, Sagittarius A* is a king in an empty dining hall, allowing our galaxy's peace and stability. But the universe is restless. The Milky Way has companions, and one of them is on a collision course. This encounter will shatter the tranquility and reignite the galactic core. The slumber won't last forever. In the southern sky, two faint, misty clouds can be seen with the naked eye. These are not just clouds, but entire galaxies hovering near our own Milky Way. For centuries, they have inspired wonder in stargazers across the southern hemisphere, their ghostly glow a reminder of the vastness beyond our solar system. The larger of these, known as the Large Magellanic Cloud, or LMC, is a dwarf galaxy containing tens of billions of stars. It's a swirling collection of cosmic material, home to brilliant star clusters and glowing nebulae, all orbiting together in a gravitational dance. Astronomers once believed the LMC was a long-term companion, quietly circling the Milky Way. But recent measurements have revealed a surprise. The LMC is actually racing toward us for the very first time, on a dramatic new trajectory. The LMC is so massive that its gravity is strong enough to tug on the Milky Way itself, subtly distorting our galaxy's structure as it approaches, and setting the stage for a cosmic encounter. Rich in gas and dust, the LMC is still actively forming new stars. Its vast hydrogen clouds serve as the raw material for both starbirth and the feeding of black holes, making it a dynamic and energetic neighbor. As the LMC draws closer, the immense gravity of the Milky Way will begin to strip away its gas, pulling long streamers of material across the void, and funneling them toward our galaxy's center. This dramatic process will unfold over billions of years, a slow-motion collision on a cosmic scale far beyond the span of human lifetimes. When the galaxies finally meet, the collision will be surprisingly gentle for most stars, which will simply pass by each other in the vast emptiness of space, barely interacting at all. But the real drama will play out in their gas clouds. As these massive clouds collide, gravity will stir up chaos, compressing gas and triggering bursts of star formation, while also fueling powerful cosmic events. The most significant result will be a massive supply of fresh fuel delivered directly to Sagittarius A*, the supermassive black hole at the heart of our galaxy, awakening it from its slumber. With this influx of material, the stage is set for a dramatic galactic transformation, reshaping the Milky Way's core and altering its future forever. The slumbering giant at our galaxy's center is about to be served a cosmic feast, and the universe will never be quite the same again. The LMC's approach is the cosmic alarm clock for Sagittarius A*. As the galaxies interact, the Milky Way's spiral arms will distort, and gas from the LMC will cascade toward the center. This won't be a trickle, but a deluge. Billions of solar masses of hydrogen spiraling inward. The gas will form a vast, rotating accretion disk around the black hole. As particles spiral closer, friction heats them to millions of degrees, causing the center to blaze with light. The once dark core will become the brightest object in our sky. Sagittarius A*, will awaken, transforming our galaxy into a brilliant beacon. we'll witness a fundamental change in the Milky Way's life cycle. As Sagittarius A** feeds, the accretion disk becomes a zone of unimaginable energy. Gas heats to millions, even billions of degrees, shining across the electromagnetic spectrum. The galactic center becomes a cosmic lighthouse, illuminating gas clouds and triggering bursts of star formation. Not all material falls in. Twisted magnetic fields can launch some outward at near light speed. This creates colossal jets, blasting high-energy particles far into space. These jets carve out huge cavities, visible across the local group of galaxies. The awakening of Sagittarius A** will be anything but quiet. It will announce the Milky Way's transformation to the universe. The blazing accretion disk will outshine all the Milky Way's stars combined. From Earth, it will appear as a brilliant new star in the constellation Sagittarius, visible even by day. The energy will trigger waves of star formation and blow gas away, reshaping the galaxy's core. Jets will punch through the galactic disk, inflating enormous lobes of hot plasma. The Milky Way's appearance will be fundamentally changed for outside observers. This active phase won't last forever. The fuel will eventually run out. The giant will return to slumber, but the evidence of its awakening will remain for eons. For a time, our galaxy will be a cosmic lighthouse. Should we worry about this awakening? Not at all. The galactic center is 26,000 light-years away, an immense buffer. By the time the radiation reaches us, it's harmlessly diluted. The powerful jets will shoot perpendicular to the galactic plane, far from our solar system. We'll be safe spectators, watching a spectacular harmless light show. Future Earthlings will see a transformed night sky, with a brilliant beacon at its heart. It's the ultimate ringside seat to a cosmic event. The awakening is a marvel, not a menace. For future astronomers, an active Sagittarius A* will be a dream come true. Instead of studying distant black holes, they'll have a front-row seat to the universe's most extreme physics. They'll watch gas fall in, jets launch, and the galaxy transform in real time. This will answer fundamental questions about black holes and galaxy evolution. The data will revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. The collision with the LMC is not an end, but a new beginning for the Milky Way. The universe is always changing, and the greatest discoveries may still lie ahead. Our dynamic cosmos promises wonders yet to come.